Have you ever seen clouds in space? Meet the nebula, cosmic clouds of gas and dust that create stars, destroy stars, and color the universe with stunning beauty. For millennia, these celestial canvases have captivated our imaginations, sparking tales of celestial wonders and cosmic dragons. Today, we journey into the heart of these nebulae, unraveling their secrets and witnessing the awe-inspiring processes that unfold within them. Imagine a canvas so vast it stretches for light years, dotted with newborn stars blazing with the intensity of 1 trillion suns. Imagine clouds sculpted by stellar winds and radiation, their ethereal forms a testament to the universe's artistic grandeur. Join us as we explore the life cycle of nebulae, from their birth in the aftermath of a star's demise to their role as cosmic nurseries, where new generations of stars ignite. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow space explorers, as we embark on an unforgettable odyssey through the cosmos. The word nebula itself is a bit of a cosmic joke. You see, back in the early days of astronomy, when our telescopes were as rudimentary as Galileo's spyglass, any fuzzy patch of light that wasn't a sharp pinpoint star was lumped into this category. It's like calling every animal you see in the distance a critter until you get a closer look. The term nebula comes from the Latin word for cloud, and for a while it seemed like a fitting description. But as our understanding of the universe grew, and our telescopes became more powerful, we realized that these clouds were far more diverse than we ever imagined. Some were indeed clouds of gas and dust, but others turned out to be entire galaxies, vast collections of billions of stars so distant they appeared as mere smudges of light. Today, we reserve the term nebula for those clouds of gas and dust that reside within our own galaxy, the Milky Way. These are the true nebulae, the cosmic canvases where stars are born, live out their dramatic lives, and eventually return their stardust to the cosmos. Nebulae are like cosmic fingerprints, each one unique in its shape, size, and composition. But if we were to categorize them, we'd find a few recurring characters in this grand cosmic play. First, we have the emission nebulae, glowing brightly with the light of newborn stars. These stellar nurseries, like the Orion Nebula, are filled with hydrogen gas that's been energized by the intense radiation of nearby stars, causing it to glow with a characteristic red hue. Then there are the reflection nebulae, which, as their name suggests, reflect the light of nearby stars. These nebulae are often bluish in color, as the dust within them scatters blue light more effectively than other wavelengths. Think of how our own atmosphere scatters sunlight to create a blue sky. For centuries, astronomers could only dream of seeing nebulae in such detail. But with the advent of space telescopes like the Hubble and the James Webb, our view of these celestial wonders has been revolutionized. Imagine a telescope floating high above the Earth's atmosphere, its gaze unimpeded by the twinkling distortions of our planet's air. That's Hubble, a technological marvel that has been beaming back breathtaking images of nebulae for over 3 decades. And then there's James Webb, Hubble's successor, boasting even greater sensitivity and resolution. With its infrared vision, James Webb can peer through the dense clouds of gas and dust that obscure visible light, revealing the hidden nurseries where stars are born. Let's take a closer look at one of the most famous nebulae in the night sky, the Orion Nebula. Visible to the naked eye as a fuzzy patch in Orion's sword, this stellar nursery is a hotbed of star formation, a cosmic cauldron where gas and dust are collapsing to create new generations of stars. Within the Orion Nebula, we see the entire life cycle of stars playing out on a grand scale. We see young hot stars blasting out ultraviolet radiation, sculpting the surrounding gas clouds into fantastic shapes. We see protoplanetary disks, swirling clouds of dust and gas where planets are forming around newborn stars. The Orion Nebula is a reminder that our own solar system, our own planet Earth, was born from such a cloud of gas and dust billions of years ago. We are, in a very real sense, children of the nebulae. But nebulae aren't just about birth, they're also about death. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it doesn't go quietly into the night. It explodes in a spectacular supernova, briefly outshining an entire galaxy. One such supernova, witnessed by Chinese astronomers in the year 1054, created the Crab Nebula. This expanding cloud of debris, still visible today, is a testament to the incredible power of these stellar explosions. At the heart of the Crab Nebula lies a rapidly spinning neutron star, the collapsed core of the original star, beaming out radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. The Crab Nebula reminds us that the universe is a place of constant change, of death and rebirth. The elements forged in the hearts of stars, scattered into space by these supernova explosions, become the building blocks for new stars, new planets, and perhaps even new life. Not all nebulae glow brightly. Some, like the Horsehead Nebula, are dark, obscuring clouds of dust and gas silhouetted against a backdrop of stars. These dark nebulae are some of the coldest and densest regions of space, where molecules can clump together and begin the long process of star formation. The Horsehead Nebula, with its iconic shape resembling a giant seahorse rising from a cosmic wave, is a striking example of these dark clouds. It's as if the universe itself is reminding us that even in the darkest corners of space, there is beauty and wonder to be found. These dark nebulae, though seemingly empty, are crucial to the evolution of galaxies. They are the reservoirs of raw material from which new stars and planets will eventually form. And who could forget the iconic pillars of creation, located in the Eagle Nebula? These towering columns of gas and dust, captured in stunning detail by the Hubble Space Telescope, are a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of the universe. But they're more than just a pretty picture. These pillars are active star-forming regions where the intense radiation and stellar winds from nearby massive stars are sculpting the surrounding gas and dust into these incredible formations. Sadly, recent observations suggest that these pillars may have already been destroyed by a nearby supernova explosion. But fear not, for the Eagle Nebula, like all nebulae, is a place of constant change, and new pillars will undoubtedly rise from the ashes of the old. So, where do nebulae come from, and where do they go? Well, like everything else in the universe, nebulae are caught in a grand cosmic cycle of birth, life, and death. Some nebulae are born from the death throes of stars, like the Crab Nebula. Others, like the Orion Nebula, are formed from vast clouds of interstellar gas and dust that have been enriched by the remnants of countless supernova explosions. Over millions of years, these clouds of gas and dust slowly collapse under their own gravity, eventually becoming dense enough to ignite nuclear fusion at their cores. And just like that, a star is born, bathing the surrounding nebula in its light. Nebulae are more than just pretty pictures. They are essential to the evolution of galaxies and the universe as a whole. They are the cosmic nurseries where stars are born, the engines that drive the evolution of galaxies. Without nebulae, there would be no new stars, no planets, and ultimately no life as we know it. These clouds of gas and dust are the building blocks of the cosmos, the raw materials from which everything we see around us is made. By studying nebulae, we gain a deeper understanding of our own origins, of the processes that led to the formation of our solar system, and the emergence of life on Earth. Nebulae are like giant cosmic laboratories allowing us to study the processes of star formation, stellar evolution, and the chemical enrichment of galaxies. By analyzing the light from nebulae, astronomers can determine their chemical composition, their temperature, their density, and even their motion through space. These cosmic clouds hold clues to the history of our galaxy, the birth and death of stars, and the ongoing evolution of the universe itself. As our telescopes have become more powerful, so too has our understanding of nebulae. The Hubble Space Telescope, with its crystal-clear vision above the Earth's atmosphere, revolutionized our view of these celestial wonders, revealing their intricate structures and vibrant colors in unprecedented detail. And now, the James Webb Space Telescope, with its infrared vision, promises to peer even deeper into the hearts of nebulae, revealing the hidden processes of star and planet formation. These technological marvels are our eyes on the cosmos, allowing us to witness the universe's grandest events and unravel its deepest mysteries. But our exploration of nebulae goes beyond the visible light that our eyes can see. By using telescopes that can detect other wavelengths of light, such as infrared and X-rays, astronomers can peer through the obscuring dust and gas to reveal the hidden secrets of these cosmic clouds. Infrared telescopes like the James Webb can detect the heat radiating from newborn stars and protoplanetary disks, allowing us to witness the very birth of stars and planets. X-ray telescopes, on the other hand, can reveal the energetic remnants of supernova explosions, such as the Crab Nebula, giving us a glimpse into the violent deaths of massive stars. From the stellar nurseries of the Orion Nebula to the ghostly remnants of supernovae like the Crab Nebula, these cosmic clouds offer a glimpse into the universe's awe-inspiring beauty and profound power. They remind us that we are connected to the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. The atoms in our bodies were once forged in the hearts of stars, and the molecules that make up our very being were once part of these vast interstellar clouds. The universe is full of wonders, and nebulae are its glowing signature. If you want to keep exploring the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.